Hello everyone, and today I'm making chapatis to go with our curry for dinner. I've already weighed out 200 grams of strong white bread flour, and I need half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just using ordinary table salt. Now I could only find a quarter of a teaspoon measuring spoon, and I need half a teaspoon. So can you work out how many of these I need for half a teaspoon? That's right, I need 2. So I'm going to measure these out very, very carefully and add the salt to the flour in the bowl. So now I've got to mix my dough with, it says with a single hand, and it says for 5 minutes. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so here we go. So I've got one hand with the phone and one hand doing this. This is very tricky, so I'm going to put my phone down and you'll see how I'm getting on in a few minutes. So here we go. I've done it. I didn't actually do it with just one hand. I have to confess to using 2. So I've kneaded my dough for 5 minutes. I've made it into a lovely big ball. This will make 5 to 6 reasonable sized chapatis. I'm now going to cover it in 2 teaspoons of oil. Then I'm going to cover it in cling film, and I'm going to leave it in a warm place to rest for 30 minutes. So I'll see you in half an hour. So I'm rolling out the chapati to a diameter of about 15 centimetres. I made 6 balls that are basically walnut size. Then you've got plenty of flour. Roll them out nice and quick, and then make sure there's plenty of flour on the side, and you go like that. And then put them ready to fry in a minute, okay? And then after 10 seconds, turn it over. Oh, gosh. Turn it over. Try and make it whole. Not like that. Thanks. Here we go. And another 10 seconds. There we go. Can you see it's going nice and brown? And then we're going to put it on the foil to keep it warm, ready for serving. And I'm going to do the same with the next 5.